Your Excellency, President Yoweri Museveni, ministers, senior government officials, distinguished business leaders, ladies and gentlemen, I thank and express my profound appreciation for His Excellency, President Yoweri Museveni, the government and the people of the Republic of Uganda for the invitation and the warm welcome extended to me and to my delegation, and for organizing the Somalia-Uganda Investment and Business Summit, a historic event that has taken place today here in Kampala. Somalia and Uganda enjoyed growing cordial and excellent bilateral ties based on common shared history, values, and mutual interests. We value these ties and will work to further enhance them in the spirit of Pan-Africanism and East African brotherhood. In 2007, Uganda was the first country to respond to Somalia's call for deployment of peacekeeping troops, and the Ugandan People's Defense Forces UPDF till today continue to support us in our fight against the terrorism and keeping the peace in Somalia. This is a sacrifice and contribution at its highest level from a nation to another brotherly nation. We are grateful for the support, and we assure you, Your Excellency, that the sacrifices made by Uganda boys and girls will not be in vain. The Somali people are very entrepreneurial, and many have invested in key sectors of Ugandan economy, including manufacturing, real estate, and other thriving sectors. We look forward to welcoming Ugandan business people willing to invest in many of our competitive industries, including agriculture, livestock, fisheries, and service sector, and more. The framework agreement signed between our two countries in 2016 and the subsequent bilateral air service agreement PASA and the memoranda of understanding between our two countries, between our two universities, chambers of commerce, and counterpart ministries on research, education, development, diplomatic, defense, and trade cooperation is a clear testament to the growing ties between Somalia and Uganda. Somalia has a clear understanding of the shared benefits that come with the working together, and we are ready to deliver the strong leadership and commitment required to contribute to boosting intra-regional trade and investment. In my meeting with His Excellency President Museveni and other East African head of states in Arusha, I underscored that Somalia belongs to the East Africa, and we are pursuing common goals and common future as a group. Somalia-Uganda Investment and Business Summit is crucial and timely, as it comes just a few weeks after I requested the East African Community heads of state, with the presence of His Excellency President Museveni, to champion Somalia's bid to become the 80th member joining the East African community. Africa in general is blessed with wealth and has a large economy. However, because of fragmented markets, tariff and non-tariff barriers, our intra-regional and intra-continental trade is below 20% compared to about 60% in Asia. We are confident that this summit will contribute to the acceleration of intra-regional trade investment flows between our two countries, further opportunities to grow. Somalia has unlimited ripe economic opportunities to offer to partners willing to trade with or invest in our country. With the longest coastline in the mainland Africa, Somalia boasts abundant, untapped natural resources, vast arable land, and promising climate for renewable energy, entrepreneurial culture, a thriving private sector, and a young workforce ready to engage in the economic aspects. We've made significant strides in state building, economic reform, and maintaining macroeconomic stability, notwithstanding the very difficult challenges we are facing right now. I can tell you with a firm confidence that Somalia is now open for business and investment, and willing to increase the volume of bilateral trade between our two countries and identify opportunities for investment, trade, and tourism for both our countries and our people. We welcome the establishment of the Joint Permanent Investment and Business Forum to fast-track the implementation of its recommendations and decisions, as well as identify opportunities in both countries.